Hi everyone, and welcome to our second video about the Twing wallet. In this video, we will show you in detail how to do a transaction from transparent address to private address, then from private to private, and to finish from private to public. We assume that you already installed the wallet by following the first video on this subject. Go to Own Addresses and click on New T Transparent Address on the bottom. Enter the name you want to give to the new created address. You can view your address on the blockchain. To do so, click on Copy it and paste it on the Blockchain Explorer. You will see your address empty, but here with a one-cent transaction incoming for the need of the video. When you go back on the wallet, you will see the Zen incoming in red because it's still unconfirmed. Now, let's create a private address by clicking on New Z Private Address and give it a name. You can see that private addresses are longer than transparent ones. The one-cent transaction incoming on the transparent address isn't confirmed yet. We can go on the transaction part and click on Show in Blockchain Explorer to view it. We see that it is now confirmed. If we go back to the wallet, the no became a yes. On the main page, we see that everything is written in black. Now click on Send Cash. Choose your transparent address. Then go to your own addresses to copy your private address, or any private address you want to send funds to, and paste it on the destination address. Choose the amount and click on Send remaining balance back to source address if you want the unspent transaction to go back on source address instead of a new automatically created one. After verifying the address, click on Yes to confirm. If you check the box, you will have a warning telling you that this option will be working only if you have an unconfirmed transaction ongoing and the blockchain fully synchronized. If not, a new address will be automatically created. As we choose to send 1 Zen, the transaction can't happen, because you have to add the transaction fees, and with a 1 Zen balance, this isn't enough. We will choose to send 0.9999 Zen instead. Follow the same steps, and we can see that the operation is in progress. You will see a status bar that fills up. And just after, you will get the confirmation of the creation of the transaction with the possibility to view it on the Blockchain Explorer. So let's click on that option. You will see the details of the transaction. You can go back on the wallet main page and you will see that it's written in red. That means that the transaction isn't confirmed yet. A few minutes later, you can refresh the page and see that it's black, so confirmed. You can go on the transaction part and see that your transaction is confirmed. You can also go on the Blockchain Explorer to view it. You will see the amount and the source address, but not the destination address because we are from public to private. Now, let's go on the wallet again and create a new Z address to try transaction from Z to Z. Put a name for this new address, copy it, go to Zencash, choose your private address you want to send Zen from, then paste your freshly new created address on the destination address. Put the amount, so we remove the transaction fees on the amount to send to have enough funds to make the transaction right. Then click on Send and confirm. The transaction is now created and you can view it on the Blockchain Explorer. You see here that you have no information on the amount and on the addresses in this case because we are from private to private. Few minutes later, the transaction was confirmed. If you go back to your wallet, you will see that it's written in black. Now, let's try a transaction from private address to public address. Use a private address in source address, then paste your public address on destination address. Don't forget to put the right amount and click on Send. Click on View on the blockchain. Here, you'll see only the public output, so the Zen that are arriving on the transparent address, and the transparent address. But you can't see anything on the source address. That's because we are from Z 2T. When you go back to the wallet, you will see that it's not confirmed yet. The transaction is now confirmed on the wallet and on the Blockchain Explorer. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice experience on Swing Wallet.